What's up, guys? Let's go for a quick test drive in this 2022 Cadillac Escalade Luxury Platinum. I have a test drive video on the Sport Platinum. They're pretty much the same engine and everything. They look different. This one has a lot more chrome and stuff inside, and the exterior doesn't have black accents. It's all chrome, which you will see later on in the video. You still have the AKG sound system, speakers around the headrest, which is really nice. It looks like faux wood trim. Captain's chairs, individual captain's chairs with TVs, panel sunroof, heated and ventilated seats. Now let's go. It's huge. These Escalades, see, that's a Sport Platinum right there. These Escalades are huge. Long wheelbase. And you have the camera mirror. And not surprisingly, you get excellent pickup from that V8. Sounds amazing. This is like the white interior, which would probably get really dirty. And the steering wheel's like this beige color, and if you don't keep your hands clean and drive this car every day, you're going to get it really dirty. It's going to get stained. I wouldn't get a light steering wheel personally. I'm not a fan of light colored steering wheels just because it's not going to look good after a few years or even a few months if you're not obsessed with keeping your car clean. And you have a map. This also has the augmented reality camera, which is kind of useless, but yeah. Seats are very comfortable, as you'd expect from a $100,000 SUV. And the doors have like this weird material. It's not leather right here. It's like I don't know what you'd call it, like a sturdy cloth or something. just go for a quick walk around of this Escalade. The doors have buttons behind them, which you push and it opens. They're electronic. And then, yeah, you have YouTube, Hulu on the screens. It's like a maroon color. It's interesting. You have chrome wheels and all the chrome. You have a chrome grille and chrome pieces in the front. And you have the power retractable footrests. Running boards. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing if you enjoyed, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.